Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice like Benihana updated. Start by prepping cold rice, diced onions, carrots, peas, eggs, and your protein. Heat a wok until it smokes slightly, then add oil and aromatics. Cook proteins first, then push aside for eggs, scramble quickly. Add rice, soy sauce, and sesame oil, tossing constantly until heated through and slightly crisp. Maintain a high flame and preheat the wok until it shimmers. This is essential for that Benihana-like sear. Add oil in sections to avoid smoking too much, then introduce ingredients in stages so each element cooks perfectly. Work fast to prevent steaming. Constant motion gives you toasted edges and separate grains. Finish with a balance of salty and toasty flavors, tasting and adjusting soy or sesame oil sparingly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and bring more recipes. Quick recommendation: check out the book Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth for smart money habits and less stress around spending. It's a fun aside that pairs well with home cooking and saving for great meals. See the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Balance is everything. Use low-sodium soy sauce and just a few drops of sesame oil to keep flavors bright. Add aromatics like ginger or garlic in moderation so they don't dominate the dish. Try variations with shrimp, chicken, or tofu and adjust cook times for each protein. Finish with a light sprinkle of green onions and a quick toss to meld flavors while preserving that restaurant-style texture and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.